Is it filming?
Yeah.
This is the first video of a few ones. I have no idea yet. We are on our way to Mont Tremblant. So we know the exact spot where we're going to shoot tonight, our fourth time, same place. We know the place and we're camping right on the spot. Big advantage if we do the same spot tomorrow is that we're going to know the exact tools we want to use based on the light, on the colors, because tomorrow's gonna be very similar as of today. And sometimes like everything is going so super fast, and I do things and I think back about it and I want to do things just a little bit differently, so we just go back same spot.
Sometimes when we shoot in lakes and stuff like that, you know, like it's getting deep really fast and it's hard to get enough distance to get a nice reflection. So in order to be a bit higher, so not to be like as deep in the water, we brought a special tool, something new.
We heard that the mosquitoes are the worst ever this year, especially there. We know that it's very bad, and it should be four times worse. The guy at the entrance said that there was no bugs today. We just arrived, we just parked the car, and yeah.
Yep. So look, this is our new tool. It's beautiful. It's the logo, obviously, and we're going to use it tonight for the first time. I'm super excited.
And you're going to keep it clean, right?
Of course I'm going to take care of it. It's so nice.
I was not expecting that to be floating. Okay, so it's floating there, but it's going to go down in the water once heavy Kim goes on top of it. Okay, so it's just the same thing that we used last year for this stop motion time lapse. But I think we didn't use it because it was going deep in the mud, so we needed a platform. Yeah. A platform to make it stable on the mud. So that's what we brought that thing. Up calling it the podium, and it did exactly what we needed to avoid sinking in the mud with the stool. It was a hard night fighting with the mosquitoes, but when they went sleeping we got lucky and did more shots with the steam fog, which we are going to show you in an upcoming episode. You're a dancer, right?
Yes.